much like many of us have been taught and learned up, this represents all of the muck and all the crap and all of everything that we sometimes come to and we walk into life with. The offering today is building esteem while we're rebuilding lions. And clearly what I wanted you to see was the shirt, which is a product of a line that we're going to be bringing on called BAM. This is really powerful as a representative, because with our esteem, if we're coming with all of this, what everybody said about us, what everybody thought about us, our understanding, then our esteem, just our self-awareness and having any pride over it, it becomes depleted. The shirt is on today to represent the you and I. As we go before the mirror and we look in the mirror, we don't need to be debating with ourselves. We do not need to be debating with the bricks that have been infused in us. That is this muck. Each and every one of us is a power and a might that is unique. And each and every one of us has increase. Each and every one of us. If you feel this full, let me offer you something. You have no choice. You are a power of might. You are a part of the same existence that called forth the night, the day to separate. The same power, the same might, the same word lives and dwells in you as a part of the core of who you are. This is just a product of teachings from individuals who have been taught over and over again that they're less, that they're a lack, that they're a minus, that they're a not. I'm gonna tell you how you get past this. You don't try to dump the whole thing at once. Start a bit at a time. A bit at a time. I'm not the hope. Yes, I am the hope. I don't have glory. Yes, I do have glory. The Lord doesn't love me. The Lord more than loves you. The Lord that longs and yearns to know who you are. I start with me. I always start with me, the core in me. I'm not going to debate myself. I'm not going to be the brick that stops and holds me from moving forward, from growing, from any increase. I am not going to debate with myself, not one more day, that I am a lack, that I am a not. So start off small. Start off small. Start. And know that you are the bewilderment of creation, and every part of you that was called forth in that word is magnificent and it's awesome. And let me offer you another carrot here. We don't have the right to go to the mirror and tell the mirror that we are not, that we're a lack, that we're a minus, that we are nobodies, that we're crazy, that we will go nowhere, that nobody loves us, that nobody cares, because I want to let you know that all my Christ loves you. Man, you are mighty. I got all that Christ love in the world for you. You can't help but be mighty. Let me offer you again. Let me speak to you and say that your esteem, if it's based on all of the muck, all of the hopelessness, all of the lack, all of the minuses, all of the deficits that you've heard that are a part of who you are, first and foremost, that's just hypocrisy. We do not even have the right to go to the mirror and speak to ourselves as though we are not of greatness. Do not let this be who you are. We all will have our trials and our tribulations. We will all fall down, but please, by all means, know that the strength to get back up, it lives in you. It's not a part of who comes to you and breathes in your ear, or speaks to you that you're wonderful, or taunts you, or tries to make you feel good. It already exists. It lives, it dwells in you. I have no problems with seeing Jesus. I have no problems with seeing Christ. None whatsoever. And I pray that you catch up. I pray that you catch up. But in the interim, let me offer you who you are. You're just wonderful.